Good morning, everyone. I, Swati Pandey, faculty in EX Department of SRIT College, Bhopal. Today my lecture is on high voltage engineering and my topic is breakdown phenomena. So, today I will explain you the topic of breakdown phenomena that will be conducted in solid, liquid, and gases. So, let us start. Here you can see on the slide that conduction and breakdown in the gases. So firstly, we are starting the breakdown phenomena in gases. So let us consider here breakdown phenomena in gases. You can see here the breakdown gases is an insulating medium. So here by the name breakdown, you can easily understand that breakdowns means something failure. कि कोई भी सिस्टम अगर हमारा फेल हो जाता है तो उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं ब्रेकडाउन. अब ब्रेकडाउन इलेक्ट्रिक और डाइलेक्ट्रिक दोनों टाइप के मटेरियल्स में हो सकता है. अब इलेक्ट्रिक मटेरियल कौन कौन से हैं? सॉलिड, लिक्विड एंड गैसेस. Three types of material we have, that is called the electric material, solid, liquid and gas. So today we are explaining here only the breakdown phenomena in gases. तो जैसे कि हम बोल रहे हैं कि ब्रेकडाउन का मीनिंग क्या है कि समथिंग फेलियर. तो समथिंग फेलियर कैसे होगा कि कोई भी हमारा इंसुलेशन है, कोई भी इंसुलेशन है वो अगर इंसुलेशन खत्म हो जाता है और वो डाइलेक्ट्रिक मीडियम में आ जाता है तो उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं कि ब्रेकडाउन फिनोमेना हो गया. So you can see on the slide the simplest and the most common found dielectrics are gases. के सबसे most common found dielectric कौन से हैं? Gases हैं. Most of the electrical apparatus use air as a insulating medium. बहुत सारे electrical apparatus insulating medium की तरह gas का use करते हैं. And few in gases, other gases such as nitrogen, carbon dioxide, freon, and sulfur hexafluoride are also used. So these are the also some other type of gases that we use for the insulating purpose. And the various phenomena occurs in gases dielectrics when voltage is applied. When the voltage applied is low, so the current flow between the electrode and the insulation retains its electrical properties. Okay, and the next point is, on other hand, if the applied voltage is large, the current flowing through the insulation increase very sharply. Please understand this point very seriously, that if you are increasing the voltage will be large, then the current flowing in the insulation very sharp, बहुत तेजी से flow करेगा, and the electric breakdown occurs. और वहां पर इलेक्ट्रिक ब्रेकडाउन हो जाएगा. इलेक्ट्रिक ब्रेकडाउन मींस क्या कि जितना उसकी कैपेसिटी थी उस कैपेसिटी से ज्यादा बियॉन्ड द कैपेसिटी अगर आप उसमें सप्लाई दे रहे हैं तो बियॉन्ड कैपेसिटी सप्लाई होने की वजह से इंसुलेशन फेलियर हो जाएगा और इंसुलेशन फेलियर होने की वजह से हमारा सिस्टम क्या हो जाएगा? ब्रेक हो जाएगा. A strong conducting spark formed during breakdown partially produce a short circuit between the electrodes. Means आप प्रैक्टिकली भी इस चीज को आपने देखा होगा कि जैसे ही इंसुलेशन फेलियर होता है तो स्ट्रॉन्ग कंडक्टिंग स्पार्क वहां पर, मतलब आपने देखा होगा प्रैक्टिकली भी कि स्पार्किंग हो जाती है सर्किट में, एकदम से स्पार्किंग होगी और सर्किट शॉर्ट सर्किट हो जाएगा और आपका सर्किट ब्रेक हो जाएगा. So if you are supplying beyond capacity of the anything, or you can understand this thing very practically, that your capacity for holding the weight is 50 kg and I am going to hold you 100 kg, then what will happen? You will be fail. And the system same here, if the capacity of any system is 230 volt and we are supplying here 440 volt, then the system also will be fail. Next, the maximum voltage is applied to the insulation at the moment of breakdown is called the breakdown voltage. वोल्टेज जिस पर सिस्टम ब्रेक होता है उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं कि वो ब्रेकडाउन वोल्टेज है. In order to understand the breakdown phenomena in gases, a study of electrical properties of gases and the process by which the high currents and produced in gases is essential. Means if you want to understand the breakdown phenomena of gases, then firstly you will have to study the electrical properties of gases and the process by which the current in gases will produced. Understand? And the next thing is the electrical gas as a insulating media. The electrical discharge in gases are two types. If you are understanding the discharge of gases, then there are the two processes. First one is the non-sustaining discharge and second is your self-sustaining discharge. means sustaining, you means you can understand the process of the non sustaining and the sustaining discharge. एक sustain कर सकता है और दूसरा sustain नहीं कर सकता है. The breakdown in gas, the breakdown in a gas called spark breakdown, called spark breakdown. Please highlight this point. The breakdown in gas is called the spark breakdown. Is transition of non-sustaining discharge into the self-sustaining discharge. Means non-sustaining से sustaining के बीच में जो होगा वो होगा हमारा spark breakdown. Okay. And the next point is the build-up of high current in the breakdown is due to the process. The breakdown of high current in a is due to the process of ionization, because ये क्यों हो रहा है, ionization process की वजह से हो रहा है. In ionization process होता क्या है, in which the electrons and ions are created from neutral atom to the molecules and their migration to the anode and cathode respectively leads the high current. Okay, please understand this point very carefully, that the buildup of high current in the breakdown is due to the process of ionization. Ionization की process की वजह से हो रहा है. और ionization process होता किस तरीके से है, in which the electrons and ions are created from the neutral atom to the molecules and their migration to the anode to cathode respectively leads to the high current. Okay, and the next topic, next point is, at present there are the two theories for, you can see here, for understanding the process of gases, gases breakdown or the ionization process. We have to understand the two theories. First one is the Taussend's theory and second one is the steamer theory. So in next class we will study both of these theories. So first one is the Taussend's theory and second one is the steamer theory, are known as, which explain the mechanism for the breakdown in different condition. इन दोनों के अंदर हम different condition में gases में breakdown किस तरीके से होगा उसको हम explain करेंगे. The various physical condition of gases, namely pressure, temperature, electrode field configuration, nature of electrode surface, and the ability of the initial conducting particles are known to the govern the ionization process. So this is the whole, can say, the whole phenomena in gases we will have to study, and only the introduction how we will understand the breakdown phenomena in gases. For the deep study, which type of process we will have to understand. So the two process, Taussend's and the steamer theory, are very important, that we will discuss in the next class. Okay, thank you so much.